Welcome to Auto Drive, your ultimate destination for the latest and most detailed reviews on iconic cars, classic revivals, and futuristic models. In today's video, we are diving deep into the all-new 2026 Karmann Ghia TC, also known as the Type 145, a modern tribute to a vintage masterpiece. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Auto Drive so you never miss a single review, breakdown, or exclusive feature. Stick with us until the end to get every essential detail and learn whether the 2026 Karmann Ghia TC is the right choice for your next classic-inspired ride. Let's start with what makes this car truly special. The 2026 Karmann Ghia TC comes equipped with a high-revving, performance-focused inline-4 engine. While purists may wonder why a V6 or V8 isn't included, this decision is driven by efficiency and balance. The displacement is around 2.0 liters, generating a respectable 180 horsepower and 200 pound-feet of torque, perfectly matching the car's lightweight, sporty DNA. Acceleration is quick and responsive, ideal for both city streets and winding roads. The engine pairs with a 6-speed manual transmission, designed for those who love the feel of a connected drive. For those preferring convenience, a 7-speed automatic variant is also available. Power is sent to the rear wheels, maintaining the classic rear-wheel drive dynamics that fans of the original Karmann Ghia cherish. Moving to the interior, the cabin is a blend of retro charm and modern innovation. The seating capacity is limited to 2 front passengers and 2 small rear seats, maintaining a 2+2 layout. The upholstery features premium leather with optional Alcantara inserts, while wood trim accents run along the dashboard and door panels for a truly timeless look. Standard features include heated front seats and dual-zone climate control. Optional cooled seats are also available for enhanced comfort. Subtle LED ambient lighting adds a touch of elegance during night drives. From the outside, the 2026 Karmann Ghia TC retains the soul of the original TC model with its sleek coupe body style and rounded silhouette. The car measures approximately 172 inches in length, 67 inches in width, and 51 inches in height, with a wheelbase of 100 inches. Its proportions create a low-slung, aerodynamic presence that's sure to turn heads on the road. Chrome trim, classic round headlights, and a sculpted grille pay tribute to the vintage Karmann Ghia aesthetic, while modern LED lighting brings it into the new age. Suspension and handling have received major attention in this updated model. The front uses a McPherson strut setup while the rear features a fully independent multi-link suspension. These choices ensure a refined ride quality while offering agility through corners. Gas-filled shocks contribute to a smooth, controlled feel on varying road surfaces. Steering is handled by a rack and pinion system with electronic power assist, providing accurate feedback and confident control whether cruising through cities or exploring the countryside. Braking is equally important for performance and safety. The 2026 Karmann Ghia TC is fitted with 4-wheel disc brakes, with ventilated rotors at the front and solid rotors at the rear. The disc size is generous for its class, ensuring short stopping distances and fade-free performance during spirited drives. Anti-lock braking (ABS) is standard, as is electronic stability control (ESC) and traction control. Dual front airbags, side airbags, and curtain airbags provide comprehensive occupant protection in the event of a collision. Technology plays a key role in modernizing this retro-inspired model. The infotainment system features a high-resolution touchscreen with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The radio system is upgraded, with a premium sound package for crystal-clear audio, while an integrated CD player and USB ports provide multiple entertainment options. Navigation is built-in and voice-controlled, helping drivers find their way with ease. A small heads-up display projects key driving information onto the windshield for improved focus. Additional convenience features include cruise control with adaptive speed settings, power windows and door locks, and a panoramic sunroof that brings in plenty of natural light. A digital instrument cluster replaces traditional analog gauges, but retains retro-inspired styling to maintain the overall theme. Smart key access, push-button start, and a wireless charging pad add to the vehicle's usability in daily life. What sets the 2026 Karmann Ghia TC apart are its unique and luxurious details. Chrome bumper caps, vintage-style alloy wheels, and available two-tone paint schemes give the car unmatched curb appeal. Inside, buyers can opt for a heritage package, which adds embossed seat stitching, special badging, and custom wood inlays. For performance enthusiasts, a sport package is available with stiffer suspension tuning, upgraded brakes, and a rear spoiler to enhance aerodynamics. This 2026 model also introduces a number of updates over previous iterations of the Karmann Ghia line. While staying true to the core design language, it now incorporates lightweight aluminum panels to reduce curb weight and improve fuel economy. New paint options like Glacier Blue, Copper Sunset, and Emerald Mist offer a personalized touch, with Glacier Blue becoming a fan favorite. The chassis has been re-engineered to increase rigidity while minimizing vibration, making the car feel tighter and more responsive on the road. With a starting price of approximately $36,000, the 2026 Karmann Ghia TC offers tremendous value for collectors, enthusiasts, and daily drivers alike. Higher trims can stretch up to $45,000 depending on selected packages and features. Given its blend of nostalgic design, updated tech, and modern engineering, this car appeals to a wide variety of buyers. It's perfect for those who want the soul of a classic car with the comfort of modern amenities. This wraps up our full review of the 2026 Karmann Ghia TC, a retro masterpiece reborn with 21st century performance and elegance. If you're looking for a vehicle that brings emotion to every drive, this one deserves a spot in your garage. Don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews, classic car insights, and future concept breakdowns. Your subscription helps us grow and bring you even more quality content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Karmann Ghia TC and which color or trim you'd choose. Thanks for staying with us for the full breakdown. Your view duration helps us a lot and keeps Auto Drive running strong. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.